Understanding your wedding dress budget. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting phrase, wedding dress budget. Understanding this phrase not only helps in everyday English conversations but also gives insight into cultural norms surrounding weddings. Let's unravel the meaning together and see why it's more than just about numbers. First, let's dissect the phrase, wedding dress budget. It consists of three words that, when combined, create a specific concept. Wedding dress refers to the garment that a person wears on their wedding day, a significant element of the wedding ceremony. Budget, on the other hand, relates to the amount of money one is willing or able to spend on something. Therefore, a wedding dress budget is the amount of money someone has allocated specifically for the purchase of their wedding dress. The importance of setting a wedding dress budget cannot be overstated. It is a crucial part of wedding planning for several reasons. Financial planning. It helps couples manage their overall wedding expenses by setting a limit on how much they can spend on a dress. Practicality and priorities. By having a budget, individuals can prioritize their expenses, focusing on what's truly important to them for their big day. Stress reduction. Knowing the budget in advance can reduce the stress of wedding planning, as it narrows down the options and makes the decision-making process easier. The concept of a wedding dress budget also opens a window into different cultural attitudes towards weddings and financial planning. In some cultures, spending lavishly on a wedding dress is seen as a norm or even a necessity, while in others, modesty and simplicity are valued. Discussing wedding budgets can reveal much about societal values, economic conditions, and personal preferences. For those planning a wedding, here are some practical tips for setting your wedding dress budget. Know your overall budget. Understand the total amount you're willing to spend on your wedding to decide how much of that can go towards the dress. Research costs. Look into the average cost of wedding dresses to set a realistic budget. Consider additional expenses. Remember to include costs like alterations, accessories, and cleaning in your budget. Be flexible. Allow for some flexibility in your budget in case you find a dress that's slightly over but perfect for you. We hope this discussion on wedding dress budget has been enlightening. Whether you're planning a wedding or just interested in English phrases, understanding such specific terms can enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. Remember, it's not just about the dress or the numbers. It's about making informed decisions that reflect your values and priorities. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.